Creating construction geometry, a plane between two edges. Let's go up to construct. Let's come down here and select plane through two edges. Now we're going to select a plane of an edge, okay, or an axis. I'm going to pick this edge, and then I'm going to come over here and pick this edge. And now it created a plane that went through there. I'm going to hit OK. And just so you can see it a little better, I'm going to grab hold of the corner of this plane and I'll make it a little bit bigger so you can see that, right? So it passes between this edge and this edge. And now I can sketch on this plane and I can then do some advanced modeling with that. So in this case, I went up to plane between two edges.